Bollywood rumored couple Yami Gautam and Pulkit Samrat, who will be next seen romancing each other in their upcoming film Junooniyat, spotted here during a fashionable date at a store launch on Thursday. The much-in-love couple earlier worked together in Divya Khosla Kumar directorial Sanam Re. The actors flew to inaugurate Pantaloons women's store at Garden Galleria. Yami was seen in a breezy blue dress and Pulkit sported a casual look in a white shirt and black pants. Watch here. Directed by Vivek Agnihotri, the film is slated to release on June 24.